high saltwater classroom, we're going to do some intertidal quadrat sampling. To do so, you'll need a quadrat or a length of rope tied in a knot, your intertidal guide, and maybe a magnifying glass. Ready? Let's go. We're going to explore the intertidal zone, the area between high and low tide, using quadrat sampling. This is a quadrat. Scientists use it to define a study area. We could sample the whole beach, but instead we'll look at a small area really, really closely. This looks like a pretty good place to put our quadrat. We'll start by making some observations about our quadrat. There's this one piece of rock that's coming up out of the surface. You can see quite a lot of periwinkles and some other animals living on that, different types of seaweed or algae. And then in the water, there's sand and more rocks. You can use your intertidal guide to identify different animals or algae that you might find. Let's see what this is here. A type of algae. It's very flat with some air bubbles on the ends, a bit of ridge or roughness. That looks like rockweed. There's this green algae here. That's sea lettuce. In our quadrat, we'll look for two different types of organisms, mobile and sessile species. Mobile species are species that can move around, like that little amphipod or a crab. Sessile species are species that cannot move around. An example of a sessile species would be the barnacles or this algae. We're outside of our quadrat now, but this here is knotted wrack, a different type of seaweed. And if you look closely, you can see some of these pieces have small little orange dots on it. This is actually part of the seaweed's reproductive cycle. So at this point in early April, the seaweed is reproducing. And remember, whenever you visit the beach, pick up whatever trash or marine debris you find. The ocean will thank you.